Make sense, no? Okay, kung magkalayo ka dito sa R, magkabuka ang mga dito, mga angle. So, magkalayo ka, ito po. Mga angle. So, this one, and since equal naman na siya sila, gawin mo sa likikan. So, radius. Masan yung relationship? Asan likikan na relationship? Based dito. Di ba muna siya? Si 1, ano siya si 2? Angle. Angle 1 is tatag-tangent. Tangent na ha, tangent na. Tangent angle. Is equals to? Gets ba? Ano yung ka? This is your theta. This is your first, no? This is your R2. This is your R1. This is your 2. This is your Hooke's law for stress, shear. Shear stress is equals to G. Strain. Shear stress is proportional to your strain. Kalimutan na nila guys. Okay, which means your strain is just equals to stress over shear modulus. Plug in dito, this becomes shear stress over G R1 equals shear stress to G 2 R2. You have your maximum. This is your steel. This is your aluminum. Ano lang? Plug in values. Shear stress is 9 psi or 9,000 na lang. 9,000 pounds inch squared all over G sa steel. 12 times 10 to the 6 pound inch squared times R. Ay, di ba ka mag-transpose? This is your TST. This is times 6 inch. Is equals to aluminum, which is 4 times 10 to the 6 pounds inch squared times 4 inch. So, ilan?
1.38
This is
1.38 times negative 8.
Shear stress on steel is equals to 6.25 times 10 to the power of negative 8 shear stress sa aluminum. Okay?